tell you a story about one of us. Come on, we mustn't be late. Keep together, kids. Don't get lost. It's going to be a busy day. Ready? Yes, sir. Come on, let's go, Dad. Oh, stop. Come on. Perhaps you'll talk about us.
The bear stories are always so interesting. Interesting like us.
Where is he? I don't see him. I bet he stopped to eat some honey in the bees chapter. We all know how greedy he is.
I want the kids to learn about predators. He's coming.
Quit that jumping.
Well, today the great book of nature is open at another chapter. Today you'll learn all about the wolf.
Now rest, Mother. Here's a surprise for you, BoBo.
Oh, wow!
Just lie there. Don't make too much noise. Granny has a high fever. I'll be right back.
You have a fever? Let me see how hot you are.
Just a slight fever. You mustn't worry.
Then we can play with the ball you gave me.
I'd love to, but not today.
I'm going outside to play.
Oh, there's no need to scream like that.
Okay, Mommy.
Will you stop that playing a second? I need your help.
Look, Mommy, look.
Listen to me, BoBo. Will you pay attention to me?
I'm listening, Mommy.
You must go immediately to Dr. Goat's office. Your grandmother is very ill. She has a high fever and a bad cough. Did you hear me, BoBo?
Yes, I heard you, Mommy.
What's happened to you?
Oh, my behind.
Let me see.
Hurt myself.
There we go. It's not
My shoe. Where's my shoe?
Oh, you'll be the death of me. Now, where is it?
I don't know, Mommy. Perhaps it's over there in the trees.
I can't see it anywhere. Oh, wait a minute. I'll get you one of Granny's. Sorry, Mother, but I have to take one of your shoes for BoBo. There. Now off you go.
What? Huh? But that will never fit me.
Don't make such a fuss. Give me your foot. There you go. Now, run along. Off you go. Hurry. Don't waste time. Granny isn't well.
Yeah. How can I hurry? I can't even walk.
Mark going off without his shoe.
Let's see. Oh! The fever's getting higher.
Now, this was the place. There it is! I found it! Yippee! My shoe! I found my shoe! I found my shoe! Yoo-hoo!
What's going on? What are you still doing here?
Look, Mommy! Mommy, I found it! I have my shoes! My shoes! Yippee!
Where did you find it?
I had this great idea. I just left, and Granny's shoe was really hurting me. I couldn't stand the pain anymore, so I took it off, and I threw it in the pond. Then I decided to come home and do the same movements I did when I was playing with the ball and lost my shoe. And that's how I found it. And here it is. It got caught in a tree.
I'm very happy you found it, but I asked you to go to Dr. Goat's office.
All right. I'm going, Mommy.
Stop it. You always want to have things your way, don't you, Boo-Boo?
Everybody else does what they want to, so why can't I?
You must learn to do as you're told. If I ask you to do something, I want you to do it without any questions. Now run along to the doctor's office. What's wrong now? What are you doing, Boo-Boo?
I have a stone in my shoe.
Stop wasting time and remember, go straight to the doctor's office.
I'm going.
Oh, dear me. Looks like a storm brewing.
Ooh, a thunderstorm. I must find shelter. Now what?
The fever is still high.
Hey, where are you going? Come over here.
No, it's dangerous to stay in the open. I'm going home.
Ooh, I'm not staying here if it's dangerous.
Easy, easy. Poor baby. He'll get soaked in this terrible weather. Don't worry. He's capable of looking after himself, Mother.
Going home, too.
I'm going to look for Boo-Boo, Mother.
I'm back, Mommy.
Just as well. I was coming to look for you. I was bringing you and the doctor an umbrella so you wouldn't get wet. But where is the doctor?
He's not here, Mommy. It was raining so much, I had to find shelter under a tree. There was lightning. It was too dangerous to go on any longer.
Boo-Boo, BoBo, you disobeyed me again. Now what am I going to do with you?
I didn't mean to, Mommy.
Granny is very sick. I'm at my
Don't cry,
wit's end. Poor soul. You stay here at Granny's side. I'll go and look for the doctor. You should be ashamed of yourself. I can't rely on you at all, can I?
Wait! I'll go!
Oh, please be careful, BoBo, and come back with the doctor as soon as possible. Looky there.
Maybe he's afraid the sun will fall on his head.
I'm gonna bust the gut laughing.
What's so funny, huh? Stop it or I'll throw something at you. You asked for it.
Don't! You mustn't throw stones.
They keep laughing at me and teasing me.
What do you expect if you go around with an umbrella when the sun's shining?
Well, it is a bit unusual, I must say. Were you going anywhere special?
I'm going to Dr. Goat's. My granny has a high fever and a bad cough.
Oh! Dr. Goat was about to close the surgery. I was there just now to get this medicine.
Huh?
You better hurry if you want to get there in time.
It's not going down.
I'll wait here until he comes back.
Oh no, it's gone up.
Hey, little boy, wake up!
What are you doing around here?
Granny has a high fever.
Now listen, I have some medicine here that'll do the trick immediately. It'll lower your granny's fever and give her strength. Now, I gotta be on my way. You get going and make sure she drinks it all. I'll be right there.
Where's BoBo? I can't hear him play anymore. He's gone to call Dr. Goat. They'll be here soon. Don't worry.
Get going, I said. I have an urgent visit to make, and then I'll come to your granny straight away.
Hey, what's up?
I fell in the river, but I found the doctor, and he gave me the medicine for my granny. You see?
Well, what are you doing here then?
Waiting for my clothes to dry.
Well, we could do some fishing while you wait.
Huh?
Come on, look what I caught already.
I can't.
What do you mean, huh?
Well, because I promised my mommy I'd go straight home.
But you stopped to rest instead of running home with the medicine.
Yes, I know, but she'll never find out.
She has very high fever. I'm afraid she's caught pneumonia.
What's to be done, Doctor? Tell me.
There's not much we can do. If she'd taken the medicine, her fever would have gone down, but now the situation's out of hand. The only solution is to take her to the hospital.
Oh,
I'll call the ambulance.
Are you always so distracted? You've got your shoes on the wrong feet.
Silly me.
Wait a second. Here. I thought of giving you this fish so you could take it to your granny.
Wow, thank you.
Now,
Here comes the ambulance in the nick of time, I'd say. Take her to the hospital. I'll be right there.
This will help Granny get better.
Thank you, darling. Thank you. Now I feel better.
Oh no!
it's all your fault. If something bad happens to Granny, it will be all your fault.
Wait! Wait! The medicine! Wait! Wait! The medicine! The medicine! Wait!
What's wrong?
It's not my fault. This would never have happened if I'd done as I was told. Forgive me.
That's what happens to disobedient children.
Let's hope baby's learned his lesson.
The wolf. How is the wolf classified in the animal kingdom? The wolf belongs to the order of carnivores, to the Canidae family, and to the Canis lupus species. They have slender, muscular bodies and a long, hairy tail. They vary in color, but are generally from gray to reddish brown. How many species are there, and where do they live? All wolves belong to one species, Canis lupus, which is spread together with a number of subspecies throughout Asia, North America, and Europe. Wolves usually prefer to live in forests, both in mountainous regions and in the lowlands. How do they live? Wolves are social and territorial animals. They live in small packs characterized by a very rigid social structure, headed by one male and one female who dominate all the others. How do they move? The wolf moves most comfortably at a trot. At this pace, it can easily cover distances of between 10 and 20 kilometers a day. What do they eat? Basically, wolves eat the larger herbivores, such as deer and caribou, but they also eat small mammals, rabbits and squirrels, for example. If hunting is poor, wolves will feed off berries and other fruit. How do they protect themselves? Wolves have no natural enemies, and if you discount fighting within the pack, there are very few occasions in which the wolf has to defend itself. How do they relate to people? Very badly. Ever since prehistory, man has hunted wolves, and for centuries they were thought to be evil, the big bad wolf of the fairy tales. For the past few years, great efforts have been made to rehabilitate the wolf's image and to save it from extinction. Can they live in the city? No, they can't, but in winter they often move quite close to human settlements in search of food. Well, have you all learned the lesson? The moral of the story is that when you don't do as you're told, you could live to regret it. Oh, look who's coming!